Hey folks, James here with 12 Volt Warehouse, and today we are having a look at the new Expion 360 battery. So this is a 360 amp hour battery. It's a new form factor, so it's basically the size of two Group 31s side by side. It's a pretty significant battery, but in that small a form factor, you're actually packing a whole lot of power in there that's going to compete with, or actually is smaller than an 8D battery, for instance. These things do weigh about 100 pounds, where a typical 8D is in the 150, 160 pound range. So we're saving some weight there. We're also gaining some power with about 100 more amp hours than your typical 8D battery. Obviously, these are all kind of in round numbers. But we're going to do a quick unboxing here so you can kind of see what it looks like. You can see we have cracked the box open already. We put it all back together so you can kind of see how it works, how the straps work, and how we're going to get this bad boy out of the box. So when you get it, it's just a matter of opening it up. You can see nicely packed here. We've actually got our straps to lift it out with. We've got our bolt kit with multiple options on the bolts there, as well as our friendly little bag of jelly beans. We'll all, I'm sure, fight over these later. Just set those to the side. We'll pull the foam out, and you can see there it is. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a battery. It's got the little green light on the Viper head that shows that it's fully charged. And we're just going to pull the foam out of the sides here. And you can see they've also got the foam there with the hand cutouts for when you're carrying the box. So that's kind of the grand scheme of things. And then you can see here, if we pull these straps just out of the package, and I don't know if you can see down in the box here, but there's a couple of hard points down inside there. So we're actually just going to hook this over there. I'm going to hook this one over there. Do the same with this guy. Hook it there. Just keep tension on it. Hook it there. And as usual, lift with your legs. And there it is. I challenge someone to do that with a big 8D battery. So that actually makes it really easy for getting it down into a compartment. If you're on a boat or an RV where it drops into a tray or something, they really have thought through how to lift it up and how to get things, get the batteries installed. We'll show you some more stuff later on the tie down systems and the hold downs and how everything all goes together. So stay tuned for more. Thanks.